What's up, my detailing people? Welcome to Hunter's Detailing Headquarters. We here at the shop, man. Hey, we came a long ways. For the people that have been watching me since the vending days, hey, God has been blessing and I'm thankful. But in this video, what we're gonna be talking about is people that aren't detailers, people that just like to wash their family cars, mom's car, wife's car, and they want to come and get some supplies. So I'm gonna just show you the basic stuff, so where you're not coming in spending all this money. Just a couple chemicals. The first thing I will go with is gonna be your car shampoo, of course. No dish detergent, guys. That's gonna strip your paint and it's gonna leave your paint bare with no protection. Then you're gonna get a fading paint because they're not protecting their cars. So it's the greaser. Dish detergent is the greaser. You see how it strips all the dirt, all the stuff from your dishes and all that? Yeah, you don't wanna do that to your paint. So mom, stop telling your kids to clean your car with the dish soap. Hey, come here to Hunter's Detailing, 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, and get you some Pearl Auto shampoo or some body wash right here. So that's one.
I have a question real quick.
Yes, sir.
So that's the bottle. Mm-hmm. But what do you need to put into effect? Like a foam gun, a pressure washer?
You know what? Just to start off with the basics, most people got buckets at home. You know what I mean? We all got a bucket, so just pour a drop, couple drops, get that bucket, and you know, grab a normal towel that you wash your body. We keeping it minimum. Grab one of them, you'll be all right. All right, so next up, we're gonna go with brake busters. This is your tire and wheel cleaner, non-acid. So you ain't gotta worry about, you know, burning the rims and destroying some stuff. But you're definitely gonna need this. If your mom like her tires and rims to be clean, this is what you're gonna need. Normally we would just wash the car and just maybe scrub the rims real quick and just leave it. I remember washing the car as a kid. I didn't really, you know, get detailed. It was just a quick washing. Dang, come on, mom. Today, all right, soap, dish soap, rinse it, and sometimes not even dry, but I get up out of there. But if you want to get a little bit more detailed, brake busters right here. All right, so next up, we got Express Interior Cleaner. This is my favorite right here. I love the foam action if you're gonna do the brush and all that stuff, but we're gonna keep it basic. So this is good for your leather, for your plastics, and you don't wanna do it in the sun. If you do it in the sun, you could take a chance of it eating into the plastic or into your leather. A lot of people like streak-free windows. Next up is gonna be the True Vu. What it do? Right here, glass cleaner. All right, so to elaborate a little bit more, you got your buckets you can pick up here. And then next up, you wanna grab your rim brush. You know, most people out there washing their mom's or wife's car, they ain't really getting too detailed, so I would just grab one brush. I'll use this for the tires and rims, just to keep it real basic. Next up, come grab your towels. All right, so you got your towels. Next up, you got your dry towel right here. This one and done right here. You ain't gotta do all that drying, one and done. So
what's the difference between the towels?
Between this one and this one?
Yeah.
This one's gonna hold the water in to where you can get 2-3 cars out of it. This one, you're gonna probably run through like 10 of them to dry a car. There you guys have it. That's all you need. The basic stuff to complete mom, dad's car, whoever car you wanna clean. Come down to 3306 Orange Grove Avenue. Come and pick your supplies up. I supply your needs. Hunter's Detailing, like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Let's go.